To begin, make sure you're in the Media tab. Then click on the New button. Select Plane. I'm going to just leave the default settings the way they are, but you can make adjustments if you want. Click on the box next to Color to bring up the color picker pop-up. Click the Pick Screen Color button. Now just hover over and click on the color of your choice. Hit OK once you're finished. Then hit OK and the plane properties pop up to finish the process. Alright, and there our colored plane is in the Media tab. Now just drag it onto the timeline to add it to your project. To increase or decrease its duration, just drag the end of the clip. Okay, and now we have a colored background added to our project. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.